Hi and welcome back from the Pimax headquarters in Shanghai. I'm here with Snake and you are the product manager of Portal.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm looking forward to try it out. So for all of you who don't know yet Portal, it is a little handheld gaming machine, right? It's like the Switch, but you can put it into something like that we have seen with Google Daydream or Gear VR, and then it becomes a VR headset. Interesting.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
It's way more better than
It's okay.
Daydream or
Okay,
VR.
okay. I believe you. Yeah, because this has now 6 DOF.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 DOF because here it has cameras, and these cameras track the device in 6 degrees of freedom, and that's something that Gear VR and Daydream could not do. All right, interesting concept, but how good is it really? And that's what I'm going to check out now. So I will try it now. I will put it on now. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay.
Here's your controllers.
Okay, yeah, 6 DOF. Okay, let me tell you what I see right now. I'm in VR, yeah, so that works, and it's tracked in 60 degrees of freedom. I'm now in some kind of home environment. Something, yeah, that this could happen in a Pico or Quest 2 as well. I have to tell you though that in my opinion right now, my first impression is this is like the FOV is like smaller in my opinion here than what I know from, for example, yeah, the Quest 2 or the Pico 4. Yeah, so I would guess from my experience that actually, like vertically, it is pretty comparable with Quest 2 and even, yeah, somewhere between Quest 2 and Pico 4. But horizontally, that is probably something like this. So I would guesstimate this is probably like 80 degrees from my feeling right now, with my eyes. Just to let you know what I see. Okay. Right. Now in front of me there's a menu, and from the resolution, I would also say that that's somewhere between, yeah, Quest 2-ish and Pico 4-ish, so that's that. Color-wise though, so I see the colorful menu options. Colors look very nice, like deep blacks and colorful stuff is going on here. So this is probably thanks to, again, the QLED and local dimming, right, you have?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So what should I do next?
You could open brush.
Okay, let's try this.
Be an artist.
Yeah, I draw, exactly. Open brush,
yeah.
Launch app, here it is. Okay. Oh, the blacks are so good. Oh yeah, the blacks are really good. Okay, and here we are, powered by Tilt Brush. Wow, the colors look absolutely fantastic. Well, just like in the Crystal. Is it the same panel like in the Crystal?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
We share lots of technologies, Crystal and Portal.
Okay, that makes sense. Point to interact. Okay. Oh, the thumbstick is quite high here, right?
Yeah.
So
we use these 4 buttons
to
simulate.
Okay, so actually you don't want me to use the right thumbstick. Okay.
You can use both.
Okay, this is interesting to see. Can you probably zoom in on that or come closer? So on the left controller, I feel totally normal. I feel just like a Quest 2 controller. But here on the right controller, I feel that the thumbstick is too high for me to reach it nicely. So okay, that's why here I would use the 4 buttons, or what is it? Oh, there's 4 buttons, right? Okay, interesting. Okay. Point to interact. So I can now do a new sketch. Let me do it. And let's start to draw something. Choose the color. They don't see what I see right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In the future, are you also going to do something like streaming this to the TV or something?
Sure.
Okay, just like all the others, right? Just like. Okay, so
It's in the plan.
It's in the plan. Okay.
We'll update that function later.
Are you also going to do something like pass-through mode?
You mean the power pass-through or?
No, I mean like optical pass-through, so that if I want, I could see my environment.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's already in, but no shortcuts for it yet.
Not today.
So
okay, no problem.
when you run off the guardian zones, the pass-through will automatically turn on.
All right. Even now?
Yeah.
It will work?
Yeah, you can just walk through.
Okay.
Did you get it?
No.
No.
Okay, it doesn't work today.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no pass-through today. But it's a great way for me to test out how good the tracking works. Yeah. So, am I standing in the correct way, or is it good here? Is it safe? Yeah. Okay, good.
It's safe.
Yeah, so let me tell you about my experience. Well, you know Tilt Brush, and I have the full Tilt Brush experience. So the tracking, it works absolutely fine. Interestingly, the picture quality, as I told you, it looks somewhere between Quest 2 and Pico 4, I would say, but the colors are better and the lenses are better. That is interesting. That is really cool. So, like what I'm seeing here, this is like a viable VR experience. It's like a usable VR experience. However, I must also tell you something. Snake, I must tell you something. Yeah. I'm sorry to tell you this. And there are some reflections of the display. I can see reflections, not in the lens, or I'm not sure is it in the lens, but I see reflections of the display. You must be aware of this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Our optical team are still solving this problem.
Okay, so what is it? Is it a reflection in the lens, or is it being reflected by something else?
Yeah, we got this transformer thing, so we are handheld, and at the same time we are headset.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, there's something standalone VR don't have, so.
Okay, got it. So, yeah, it's like the reflections are in the outer area of the lenses.
Yeah.
And yeah, well.
It's on the handheld screen.
It's on the screen of the device, the reflections. Yeah. Okay.
The typical standalone VR don't have this.
Got it. So yeah, so that's then a drawback probably. But do you think there's anything that you can do about it?
Yeah. But still trying.
Okay.
So the VR mode will be shipped a little later.
Okay. Yeah, but well, I can see it, right? Because I am looking through VR headsets all the time, so I can obviously see the reflections, and I think other people will also see them. But apart from that, it is like a surprisingly cool experience. And the SIG stuff works very well. The controller tracking works well. So yeah, well, I think it's a cool experience for somebody who wants to give it a try. You know, for somebody who isn't out to buy a VR headset, but he has this gaming console that he probably loves for playing PS5 streaming games or whatever. And then for, I don't know how expensive the thing's gonna be, like $50 or what, you can also do VR. Okay, what else can you show me?
Yeah, you can just...
I'll go back to the menu, okay. Okay, back to this. Okay, the menu.
You see the menu?
Yes. Exit, open brush, quit.
You can try VLC and play a video in it.
Okay. Here it is, VLC. Launch app. Okay, this is an interesting use case, right?
Yeah.
Like watching videos.
Yeah, it's a virtual big TV.
Right. Like
And you don't have to stay in the living room. You can stay anywhere.
yeah, that's right. But which video should I watch? Peking duck or animated logo?
Anyone.
Okay, let's try this SES Astra Ultra HD. Okay, so yeah, well, this is honestly speaking, I think a use case that people will enjoy, like watching a video. Let me try to. So I have a floating TV now in front of me, and there's a video playing. It looks very nice. The colors are really good. Let me try to see if I can. Okay, I can make the picture bigger. So it's like a huge TV screen in front of me, floating in front of me, and I could watch it. Okay.
Yeah, of course, we also support like Netflix, YouTube, but
Right.
here we're in China, so
Yeah, right. That makes sense.
we can't do that demo.
Right. But in the West, I could watch Netflix.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This is a good demo, I think, in my opinion. How big could you make the screen, the virtual screen? I have clicked on it like one time.
You can just walk in front of you, then.
Oh, okay. Then it will become bigger. Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense. But right now there's like two sizes, right? I can make it
3 sizes.
3 sizes. Okay.
It's like big, middle, small.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Colors are really good. Oh, now it's Paris. I think this use case is great. But now 6 stopped again.
Yeah.
This has to become a bit more stable still.
Yeah.
Yep, and you're seeing everything here, just as if you were here. That's how we roll here at MRTV. So, yep, so the left thumbstick is good, but the right, this is really a bit strange, in my opinion, that the thumbstick is here and, okay, so then this is about the 4 buttons, but yeah, it's not perfect. Probably doable for somebody who just wants to give VR a try, but for us enthusiasts, probably no.
Yeah,
This part.
but for you, you can just buy crystal controllers.
Okay, okay, this works as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can just buy crystal controllers and then I can connect them with this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's better. But then probably I will just buy the crystal directly.
Yeah.
Like me,
you can-
me. But I'm an enthusiast.
Yeah.
But how expensive will that be? Do you know? You don't know yet, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what else should I try now?
Yeah, you can play PS Play in the
Okay.
virtual TV.
Okay, that is exciting. I think that is a really interesting use case. So if I only have like a small TV at home and I want to stream PlayStation 5, I can do that here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so can I try it now? Like what do I have to click?
You can just open PS Play in the
Resource.
manager.
Okay. PS Play.
It's a blue icon.
I saw it here. Okay, wait. PS Play, launch app, okay. PS Play remote play client. Okay, do you like PS Play? If you enjoy, okay, I don't want to rate it now, maybe later. What do I click now? Direct connect or connect?
Direct Connect.
Direct connect.
Yeah.
Okay, please enter the IP of your PlayStation.
Just okay.
Okay. Wake PlayStation. Wake and connect.
Just connect.
Just connect, okay. Please wait, it says. Testing connection. Oh yeah, here we are. Mission 03. Okay.
Yeah. This Devil May Cry.
Okay.
Practice.
Cool. Okay. So this is the original PlayStation
Yeah.
5 controller.
Of course, you can just use our Portal controller, but
Oh, I could use the Portal controller. Oh yeah, this makes obviously more sense. So, okay, I see that now. Continue, right?
yeah.
Can people see it too on this on normal screen or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. This is great. Where do I have to walk? Down here or what? No, no, not here. Where to go? Here?
Or you can try other games like press the PS button.
Yeah, right. Let's do this. Let's see what you have. Okay, that sells. God of War. Let's do God of War. Yeah, well, the colors look absolutely fantastic here. And this is now for the size, like probably sitting close to a, I don't know, what is it, 65-inch TV or probably even more. Probably this is like sitting like, or standing right now. I'm standing right like 1 meter or 1.5 meter away from a 65 or 75-inch TV, like huge. Continue. Or can you also do sound?
Pardon?
Can you, I don't hear anything.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Let me connect a USB.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Could you come closer?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
So why do you have to connect USB? Ah.
It's that.
Oh, that was just to turn on the volume, right? Okay.
Yeah. We are still discussing
How to do it. Ah, okay.
To adjust the volume. So
Okay.
you can just press the circle button, and the Kratos will be free to walk away.
Yeah, okay. Right. I just want to walk around a bit. So yeah, that looks great. That looks actually really great. Wow. That is, I think this is actually a real use case, in my opinion. This is probably one of the best use cases for the device because, well, if you don't have like a huge TV for your PlayStation 5, but you want to play a game like this on a huge floating display in front of you, then this is actually like a really viable solution because the colors are great. It looks really good on this 4K screen. So it does not look like a 65-inch 4K screen in front of me, right? But it looks like for sure good enough to enjoy it more than playing this on a small TV. Nice. Yeah, this is truly a cool use case. Like I see this as an added benefit for people who want to have something like a Switch but based on Android. And okay, they don't have a big TV, and now they want to play their PS5 on a huge virtual screen. Okay, cool. This is cool. This is really cool. Yeah, well done. Yeah, so my final impressions are that in terms of, yeah, like I told you already, like the FOV is not great. For us VR enthusiasts, I would say it's like less than Quest 2 horizontally. Vertically, it's on par with it. Colors look better than Quest 2 and Pico 4. Resolution is between Quest 2 and Pico 4. Tracking was fine when the 6 DOF didn't go away. Okay, but this is something, it will become more stable, right? Yeah. You're still in development right now. Yep, this was viable, I would say, but I didn't like the right controller. The thumbstick is too high, so that's not perfect. if you just want to try out VR, it's going to be fine, right? But for us VR enthusiasts, probably this is just like an okay solution. Yeah, I think that's it. And yeah, well, this one flaw, the reflections, right? That's something that I'm not sure if you can fix it.
It will be solved in the future.
You think so?
Yeah.
Are you confident?
There's more.
And they're confident about it.
Yeah, and there's more functions in the future, like PCVR.
PCVR,
They share
okay.
the same chipset and the same algorithm.
Okay.
Yeah, in the future we could be playing PCVR by
Okay.
Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi
Okay.
or
Okay.
USB connection.
That makes
or
sense.
Micro HDMI connection.
Ah, okay. All right. So actually, it's interesting that lots of the crystal stuff is in this thing.
Yeah.
Like you mentioned, like, okay, you can get the crystal controllers if you don't like this, right?
Sure.
But I think people will get the crystal. I have the feeling. But yeah, right, because this is not optimized for VR. But it does work like surprisingly well. That's what I would say. It's surprisingly viable in VR mode. I didn't expect it to be that viable. I think I imagine that the main use case is going to be people who are not VR enthusiasts, but they like the gaming console part. You know, like playing Android games or streaming PS5 games or doing all this Android stuff. But then, as an added benefit, have the virtual screen and probably try out a VR game. Try out for the first time. And then probably they get hooked and do something else. So what I can tell, this is like a really cool idea, and it might actually work. Not for us VR enthusiasts, but I do see there might be actually a niche for that. So that are my first impressions. And yeah, cool, well done. Well done. So I hope that you enjoyed these first impressions of the Portal in VR mode. Actually, I can tell you that I've also already checked it in just playing mode yesterday, right? I played it, and there was like hands down just great. Like playing the streaming games, like it streamed perfectly to the device just in 2D, and there was like very little artifacting. It was very smooth, very nice colors. So in non-VR modes, in just 2D modes, it's a cool device. How expensive is it going to be? Do you know the prices?
It starts from 300.
$300. Yeah. And when will it going to come out? There's people who backed it on Kickstarter. Do you know, like, when can you really send out? April. You will send out in April.
Yeah. We'll start to test them outside the company. We found tens of testers from our fans, community.
Okay.
They are still testing this.
Okay. But April for sure, Kickstarters will get it. You're going to send. Okay. That's good to hear. So April, you'll get it. When can they get the VR headset?
I mean, later April.
Oh, but also in April.
Yeah.
Okay, there you heard it. So April is going to be the big month for the Portal. And yeah, from what I can tell, yes, it does look like that you can achieve it. You still have to fix some bugs, right? But overall, I'm actually surprised that it works so well. So yeah, congrats on that progress that you did compared to before when I checked it out. So that's nice to see. If you have any questions to the Pimax team, please write them down in the comment section of this video. You guys can read them and then answer, and hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and absolutely subscribe to MRTV if you want more information about the Portal and VR in general. This is a really good channel about that, I would say. So also you can meet me and the MRTV team and the MRTV community in the Discord server. All the links down in the description of this video. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.